Hello class, so let's look at answering these questions here. So you have 150 at 0 degrees grams and 100 grams at the 120 degree mark. Okay, oops, sorry, 120, that is a mistake, 100. And the angle is 120. Okay, so that's 100 grams. So what we need to do here is we're looking for equivalent force. So the first force that we have here is entirely in the positive x direction. So what we need to do is we need to find out the angle at which the magnitude y is going to be. So we have some y with 120 grams right here. So I'm going to assume that it is 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to assume it is at the same, so what we need to do is we need to find out that it has the same magnitude or the same y component as the force above. So if this force right here has a y component that is in this direction, the y component of the y force or magnitude y is going to be equal to that. So that's 4 squares almost, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, and a little bit more. So that is going to be the y component of the force in the opposite direction. So that is going to be 120 in magnitude mass, so it's gonna be somewhere probably around there somehow. Okay, now how to find the angle here? So this is again the 120, and what we're looking for is we're looking for the measured direction we're looking for the computed, so we need to compute this direction. So we're gonna really looking for this angle right here. Okay, so this angle theta is what we're looking for. So to do this work, one way of doing this is by looking at the y components. They have to be equal. So we're looking, these are forces x and y. So that's going to be, well, that would be confusing. So we're just going to do 100. So let's call them A and B just to make life easier here. Okay, so A times so we have, if this angle is 120, that means this angle right here is 180 minus 120, that's going to be 60. So, and we're looking for this side right here, so that would be A times sine of the angle 60. Okay, and that should equal B, which is 120, times sine also of the angle that we're looking for right there. Okay, so this angle is called phi. Sine that angle phi. Okay, we have A and B. Those values are 100. So we have 100 times sine 60. Divide that by B, which is 120. That should equal sine phi. So phi equals sine inverse of this expression on the left side. So sine inverse of 100 times sine 60 all divided by 120. Okay, and so 100 times sine 60 divided by 120 into second sine to ensure you end up with fourth angle is 46 or 0.19, so 46. Okay, and that's the angle from the negative x right here. So you need to add 120 to see what the angle is from the add one 180, sorry, not 120. You add 120 degrees, and you end up with the first angle is going to be 226 degrees. So obviously that's a measured angle, which would be probably different than what you're gonna get. Sorry, the measured angle is gonna be different than what this is. Probably, we'll see. But hopefully it is close enough.